Hey there! Today, we'll create a basic HTML document in just 40 seconds. Let's get started. First, open your text editor and type doctype HTML. This tells the browser we're using HTML5. Next, add the opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag. Inside the HTML tags, add head and body tags. The head is for metadata, and the body is where your content goes. In the head, you can include a title tag. For example, opening tag title, my first HTML page, then closing title tag. Then, in the body, add some content. Start with a heading like H1 opening tag, Hello World, then H1 closing tag. And there you have it. Save the file with a HTML extension and open it in your browser. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips.